Hey, what's up guys, is back with another video. I don't know why I'm singing all these in mine, just was this dancing parrots meme with a heart. This should be pretty funny. Alright, are they back? Yeah, I think there's... What? NANI? Where has this been all my life? Where has this been all my life? We gotta watch another one. We gotta watch another one. Wait, what? Oh yeah, I think this is the same one, but I seen this one. Minecraft. Animated. This is literally the same thing, but... this is more adorable. Anybody dancing to this? Because I am. Everybody do the parrot. I'm literally dancing in my chair. I gotta sit up for this. This has made my life so much better. Everybody, if is my twin watching this, I think this will make her day 10 times more better, because who does not love these dancing parrots? It's in this weird voice. But anyway, guys, that was a really short video. I just wanted to show that off. It was weird. Bye.